Hello, my sewing friends. Here is a little taste of Christmas from my house to yours. I'm Jen, and I had a wonderful Christmas. So surprising. And there were several times throughout the couple of days that 4 of my 5 girls were here at my house for the holiday when they'd go out in the driveway, and I had no idea what they were doing, but I suspected that maybe they were doing something special, which they did. One of my girls couldn't be with us this year, so this was kind of for her. But it's also for all of you that I wanted to share it with in case you were not able to be with all of your family this Christmas. This was really special to me. And so this is kind of my Merry Christmas from my house to yours.
I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents under the tree. Christmas Eve will find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. I'll be home, I'll be home, I'll be home, I'll be home, if only in my dreams. I'll be home, I'll be home, I'll be home, I'll be home, if only in my dreams. I'm dreaming tonight of a place I love, even more than I usually do. And although I know it's a long road back, I promise you I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents under